One challenge I always ran across as a classroom teacher was finding really exciting activities online that I really wanted to use, but they didn't necessarily align with my district's expectations or framework. I'm gonna show you how I created a custom tool in MagicSchool that addresses this issue and helps you align those activities to what your district expects. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do when I get to MagicSchool is I'm gonna go over to the left side, I'm gonna click on My Organization and go to Tool Management. Then I'm gonna go to Manage Custom Enterprise Tool Library. I'm gonna scroll all the way to the bottom, go to Show All Tools, and then I'm gonna create a custom chatbot. Now, something I wanna note, this video is aimed at our org administrators who are using the enterprise plan and creating custom tools for their entire district. Now, if you're an educator using the free or plus plan, you could create this exact same tool by just going to create a custom tool on your main teacher dashboard, and you can follow these same steps. I'm gonna name this the District Alignment Tool and give it a quick description. So then I'm gonna give it my custom instructions, telling the chatbot exactly what I want it to do. So in this case, it's going to analyze any activity that a teacher uploads to this chatbot and ensure that it's fitting a certain district framework. So I'm gonna use Jefferson County in Kentucky. They have a great framework called Journey to Success. So I'm gonna actually click this little paperclip and I'm gonna upload that document that explains what types of artifacts and what types of things students would need to show in order to prove mastery. Then once I have everything set up, I'm gonna click these little eyeballs on the side to hide those fields. So when the teachers use it, they don't have to worry about entering any of that in. I'm gonna click Next. Here I can give additional custom instructions. Here I'm giving it just another kind of reinforcement that I wanted to give specific examples of how the lesson provided does or does not align with the framework. Please give specific examples as to how to make it more aligned. Now I can actually test the tool, so I'm gonna try this out. So here as a quick example, I said I would like to build paper roller coasters with my 5th graders at the end of the school year. How can this activity be aligned? You can see it's going through each part of the framework's rubric and letting me know how that activity could be aligned. Then after doing several tests and going back and forth with the prompt, ensuring that's exactly what you need, you would hit Save and Next. And then you could then decide to enable or disable this tool for the entire district. And then once enabled, it would be available to all teachers across your district on their dashboards. We hope that you found this video useful. If you have any other questions, please drop them in the comments.